Whether you're looking at getting your first ever set of wheels or just looking for something that doesn't break the bank, we might have the wheel for you to look at. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the F1R wheels, more specifically the F1R FC7. So if you guys are tuning in, welcome to Martini Works Unboxed, where we kind of take a look at the products that we sell on our website and give you guys a full in-depth tour of them to make sure that you know what to expect if you pick something up like this for yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. So like I said, this is the F1R FC7. This is one of many wheels in the F1R lineup. If you aren't familiar with F1R, they are more of an entry-level, budget-friendly brand when it comes to aftermarket wheels. The FC7 here does have a few features that people really do like. So we're gonna go ahead and take the cover off, and bam! Right out of the gate, this is a single piece cast wheel, low pressure cast. Does come in a little bit heavier just because of the type of manufacturing that is used. But what we do have here is a wheel that simulates what I would say is like a two-piece or at least some sort of multi-piece wheel with a ton of lip to it. The way that the face protrudes here gives you that depth to it, and we do actually have a decent amount of lip on this wheel, which a lot of people really like to go after. So this is the 18 by 9.5 variant. This does come in two different sizes, the 18 by 9.5, which comes with a 4-inch lip, and the 18 by 8.5, which comes with a 3-inch lip. So if you're looking for something, you know, that has a bit of depth to it, that you really want something with a lip that's not gonna break the bank, definitely gonna be one that you can keep on your list. Now this one that we have here is the Hyper Black with polished lip, and this comes in 3 finishes that you can actually find pretty much across the entire F1R lineup. The other finishes being a matte bronze with a polished lip and a matte black with a gloss black lip. So you get 3 color options to choose from. This one probably being one of my more favorites among the 3. Still looks pretty decent. The center cap here do get like a carbon fiber look to it, looks pretty decent, and overall not too shabby. With it being a single piece, low pressure cast wheel, looks like they did take some time to cut out some pockets on the back to try to save a little bit of weight, which I can appreciate. But overall, when you're looking at something like this from F1R, it's not gonna be like a track wheel for you. These aren't gonna be saving you any seconds on the track or anything like that. But if you're looking for something that's just gonna look good on your car, you want something that's gonna fit, because they come in some pretty standard sizes, you don't wanna break the bank, you just want something aftermarket for your car, you want something with some lip on it, these are definitely a great budget option for you. That being said, 18 by 8.5 starts at $920 per set, with the 18 by 9.5 topping out at just $960 per set. So under $1,000 for a set of 18 by 9.5 inch wheels, not too shabby. Like I said, they are a very entry-level brand when it comes to that, but it's one that we've had some experience with in the past. They've been around for a long time, really haven't noticed any issues with them. They are JWL and VIA certified, so they've gone through all the certifications that a lot of the brands that you know and love have gone through as well. So you're not gonna have to worry about these things like falling apart on you like out driving around. Like I said, they can take a pretty decent beating. They are gonna hold up. They have a really good load rating on them as well. So they're gonna stand up to what you need out of a set of wheels for your car. But like I said, if you're looking for something for performance, you're looking to, you know, get something a little bit more lightweight to take out on the track, probably not gonna be these ones, but they are a good one if you're just looking to upgrade your daily driver or just want something to look good to cruise around town. And the last thing we have for you guys on this wheel is, of course, we're gonna go ahead and weigh this thing. So this is 18 9.5 coming in at 25.7, we'll call it 25.7 wheels. So again, not the lightest wheel out there on the market, but for the price that you're paying, that's what you're getting. So there you have it. There's a good look at the F1R FC7. If you're at all interested in checking this out for yourself, or if you have any questions about it, make sure to shoot us a message, drop a comment, or go ahead and check this out over at martiniworks.com. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, check out more unboxed content right here on Martini Works Unboxed. I'm Gels. We'll see you later.